Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and then I also do product reviews along the way. So today I'm going to be doing my December The Men's Box by Fashionsta. So as a reminder, you guys, the Men's Box by Fashionsta is a $35 a month subscription. Now, for an introductory price, after I filmed my video in November, I did find out that they had extended the $25 a month promotion. I did not have an opportunity to check if that promotion is still valid, but what I will do is I'll post it down in the comment section and in the description and let you guys know if the $25 is still valid, because again, it's a great deal in general, whether it's 25 or 35. But I'll make sure to let you guys know just in case. So, for the Men's Box by Fashionsta, they guarantee us a minimum of $100 value in each and every box per month. And this is a new subscription again, you guys. This is only our second month getting it. This box came much faster than our November boxes. Again, there was some shipping issues, but you know, you kind of just roll with the punches, and we all know it's the Fashionsta's boxes are in their infancy. But anyways, you guys, I'm really excited to check out what my husband got, because again, this is the men's box. My box is coming next, and let's get to it. But before I go any further, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit all in your notifications, and then comment below if you guys have subscribed to the men's box. And let's go. So here's our box, and it says, you know, the lid itself, it tells you that you'll receive anywhere from $80 to $150 in value per subscription box. So far, since I've been subscribed to Fashionsta, none of the boxes I've received have been under 120, 130. Actually, most of my boxes have been between 135 to 150. But they do put disclaimer just in case, you know what I mean. But let me set this down because it's kind of hefty. So Fashionsta does provide us with a card and a full description of all the items, and they, well, I think there was a little typo this time around. I just noticed that none of the prices are listed or a total. Typically, Fashionsta they typically total everything, so we don't have to do it and put all the prices in here. So this time there's no prices, just descriptions. So I will look into the prices and double check what the values are. But again, at this point, I kind of trust Fashionsta that they're not gonna do us dirty, you know what I mean? So, unlike another subscription company. And again, very beautifully packaged with the paper and everything. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful presentation. I should have just given it like that to my husband. So, my first item, I don't want to make a mess. So my first item right here is from Men's Skin. It's a vitamin B3 moisturizer. It says the most ethical way to mend skin in the men's skin. Packed with vitamin B3 complex, this formula is guaranteed to improve your complexion and increase your facial vitality. Their most popular moisturizer provides up to 72 hours of hydration even after washing and cleansing. The fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula is infused with chamomile and aloe vera to prevent fine lines and dryness by locking in your skin's natural moisture. Vitamin B3 will instantly improve enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkle dullness, and weakened skin surfaces. So that's really, really cool. And this came at the perfect time because one of our kiddos accidentally knocked over Daddy's serum, and more than half the product is gone. My husband was so sad. So my husband's been using the serums every day, and he only had it about a quarter down, and he was devastated. The men's box got 2 different products from Firsthand. This one is the hydrating conditioner. It says formulated to both hydrate and nourish. This conditioner will leave your hair silky smooth without weighing it down. Conditioners are usually more generic towards the scalp and hair because they normally do not contain soap. However, it can sometimes be troublesome fitting traditional humectants, I don't know what that word is, into a conditioner because they make things too watery in the products. Firsthand brings back the honey quat and the saccharide, I don't know these words. They also use jojoba oil, which is almost perfect match to natural hair. It says it feels silky and satiny. Well, in my husband's case, he has curly hair, so and pretty short cut, so I don't know how well that will work for him, but he does have a beard. The next thing was the Firsthand body cleanser. This says it's formulated with activated charcoal along with aloe to strip any grease, grime, dirt while keeping your skin smooth and hydrated. So that actually is a major win. My husband is snobby when it comes to body washes and cleansers. So that's really, really cool. And it does say it's free of any paraffins, synthetic fragrance, harmful sulfates, phthalates, toxins, and it's no animal testing. So very awesome. The next thing they got is from Menly. It's a face scrub. It says exfoliate bro, but seriously, you really should be doing this by now. So basically they're trying to help our men to start exfoliating and taking better care of their skin. So this is really neat. And it says it doesn't require very much. It helps, do a light scrub on your skin. And there's hyaluronic acid inside of here, sweet almond oil, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, the jojoba seed oil, grapeseed oil, walnut shell powder. So that's a lot of great ingredients in this product. This is from Skin Form. It's a face mask. It's a Korean face mask, and it's a botanical fused charcoal sheet mask. Has activated charcoal. You only leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you rub any extra serums onto your skin. This helps detox your skin. Let me just read it from the top. It says activated charcoal is the ultimate ingredient, making this formula perfect for a deep detox and powerful hydration. It pulls out toxins and leaves your skin feeling fresh, glowing. You'll be obsessed with the results. Awesome. And in the back it just says detox, hydrate, and brightening. So it just, it helps all the main points. But that's really, really cool. And there is just one mask, by the way, you guys. So sadly, this time again, I cannot tell you the overall value of the box. I will look into it, you guys. But again, we did pay $25 for this box. I think these items are a win. Now my husband will be the final judge of that, of course. I can't wait for him to see his goodies because he did not get the opportunity this time, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted. But anyways, what was your guys' favorite item from this box? I personally feel that the moisturizer and this body wash or body cleanser they call it, I think those are really really good, and my husband will probably be enjoying those the most. But what do you guys think? Thank you guys so very much for watching my unboxing of the men's Fashionsta box. Please remember to hit that subscribe button before you guys leave and like the video, and I will catch you guys after the holidays. Goodbye.